I'm Sonorai Tisa, and today my topic is biomechanical engineer. We'll discuss its introduction, principle, subfields, components, and applications of biomechanical engineering. The term biomechanics is used to describe the application of mechanics, the study of how motor systems create force and motion to biological systems. It often employs traditional engineering techniques. The difference is that mechanics of biological systems are far more complex than man-made mechanical systems and often require newer and more advanced analytical techniques. Biomechanical engineering, also called bioengineering, is the discipline that is usually recognized as a subset of biomedical engineering. Biomedical engineering is a field which implements engineering principles to life sciences, whereas biomechanical involves application of engineering principles to the movement of living things, applies its concepts and design to create various products that are useful for biological system. For example, biomedical engineering put an implant in your body and decide how it's going to react with your blood or the rest of your bodily systems. But my biomechanical is how to design that implant so it can stand up to your everyday use. Usually physics is applied to human body. This is basically a research-oriented field into which activities are carried out using the principles in physical sciences in order to create a better understanding in biological system. This field is the application of various engineering principles to living structures. It is really up and growing field. Engineering is not only about building cars and robots. It combines the principles of mechanical engineering and biological systems, specifically in human body. Subfields. Biomechanical engineering sort of separate into three fields: clinical, occupational, and sports. For clinical, you can better understand diseases such as multiple sclerosis or autism. It involves mechanics of body and diseases. For occupational, you can design a safer and more long-term healthy workplace. You can design ergonomics instrumentation to be used by a physician. And for sports, it involves the mechanisms of gait analysis of long-distance runners. You can design a better push-off block for an athlete. Principles. It usually applies principles like mass, heat transfer, fluid mechanics, kinetics, catalyst, polymer science, etc. to design and create usable and physical products to either imitate or control the biological system. Some of the recognized biochemical engineering includes kinetics, cell targeting, microfluidics, and physiological modeling. Due to this field's strong dependence on the basic sciences, biomechanics, tissue engineering, and drug delivery are considered as biomechanical engineering. Components. It consists of applying concepts of mechanical engineering to the medical field, such as thermodynamics, the study of energy conversion between heat and mechanical work; fluid mechanics, the study of how fluid move and the forces which act on them; and solid mechanics, the behavior of solid matter under external actions. Applications. Biomechanical engineering has certain applications such as artificial organs, biorobotics, role of neural engineering, tissue engineering, kinetics, drug delivery. Advancements. Surgical implants. Surgical implants devices which are manufactured in order to replace, support, or improve an existing biological structure. Implants are usually man-made, whereas a transplant is more likely to be made of a human or animal tissue. Its contact tissue consists of materials guaranteed to not cause rejection or infection in the body, such as silicone, apatite, titanium. Artificial organs. The application of mechanical engineering to human biology has resulted in the creation of revolutionary devices which mimic the functions of human organ. But they're not limited to artificial hearts and pacemakers, artificial lungs, and dialysis machines for the filtration functions of the human kidney. Biorobotics. Researchers in Italy, for example, are developing artificial sensing skin that can detect pressure as contact is made with an object. And it is being used to help train surgeons and dentists using virtual environments that speed learning process by facilitating movements. It's also being used to assist actual surgeries, allowing for more precise and invasive interventions. Role in neural engineering. By understanding how neurons work, biomedical engineers specialized in neural engineering can look for ways to either stimulate or disrupt this neurocircuitry. Implantable devices similar to the pacemakers used in cardiac setting could be used to control nervous system disorders such as Parkinson's disease, depression, and epilepsy. Rehabilitation engineering. It creates methods and technologies to help patients regain cognitive or motor function. Since much of work in this area is focused on neurological condition and physical function, solutions rely heavily on biomechanical engineering. Thank you.